In this video, we will demonstrate how to remove the keyboard. Before removing the keyboard, read through the safety guidelines to protect your computer for potential damage and ensure your personal safety. Before you begin, ensure that you turn off your computer and all attached peripherals. Also, remove the SD card, base cover, and battery. Now, let's remove the keyboard. To begin with, lift the latch and disconnect the keyboard cable, fingerprint cable, and the fingerprint button cable from the connectors on the system board. Note, the number of cables to disconnect is based on the keyboard type. Turn over and open the system at a 90-degree angle. Now, using a plastic scribe, pry the keyboard lattice starting from the recessed points at the top edge and work along the sides and bottom edge of the keyboard lattice. Then, lift the keyboard lattice away from the system. Remove the 6 screws that secure the keyboard to the palm rest. Now, pry the bottom edge of the keyboard and then work along the left and right sides of the keyboard. Then, slide and remove the keyboard from the system. You have now successfully removed the keyboard. For more information, see the owner's manual document at dell.com/support.